up, everybody? I'm back at the river, chasing really anything that will bite. I'm fresh off a day of salmon fishing, and I lost my PB King salmon, so pretty heartbroken about that. I need to hook into something nice today. Let's get to it. Brought two rods with me today. I got my Trika 3X 7-foot medium rod with the 2500 Penn Conflict 2 with 15-pound braid and a 15-pound fluorocarbon leader with this little Blue Fox spinner. And then I got my St. Croix Triumph Series 7-foot medium with the 2500 Penn spin fisher with 20-pound braid and a 25-pound fluorocarbon leader with this little Kitech swim bait. Oh, what the hell is that? This is the tiniest pike I have ever seen. Oh my god. Little baby hot dog. Well, let's get him back quick. Don't want to mess this guy up. He is bleeding a bit. He's not hooked in the gills or anything, but that's so cute. That's like a little aquarium fish. Well, see you later, buddy. Well, that was like my second or third cast. Already got a little baby pike, so hopefully I can get on some more. Feel really good about today. Feel like I'm gonna catch some fish. That was something. I felt it tapping. Oh, it's still on. What? Okay, it's off. That was a pike. That was bizarre. I hooked it and it just, I guess it must have just been swimming towards me or something. I felt like it was completely off for like 2 full seconds and then he was back on. Maybe he'll bite again. Ball is in full swing. Leaves everywhere. Happened very quickly. Should make for some better fishing though. Fish on. Does not feel very big. Nope, not at all. Definitely what I would consider a dink smallmouth, but he's pretty. And he choked that thing. You can barely see that freaking lure. Got the lure out. Pretty little smallmouth. Just getting back. Hi, buddy. What the hell? Caught a freaking Guggen lure. Ugh. Got something wrong. I think it's another tiny little bass. Just coming right in. Look at here, buddy. Yep. Nice little bass. A little bit bigger than the last one. Cool little fish. See you, buddy. Ooh, that's, ooh. That was rough. I saw that would smack it. I don't even think he got hooked. I think he just grabbed the lure. So, I mean, it's possible he might bite again. Got a fish on. Ooh, looks like a nice fish. Looks like a nice fish. Oh, I need to grab my net. Should not have left it this far away. Nice pike. Nice. First decent fish of the day. Got on that nice little white grub. Here's the little pike I just got on that white grub. Beautiful guy. Pretty healthy one, not too fat, not too skinny. Really cool fish. This guy was about 3 1/4 pounds and 25 inches. I think he's ready to go back. He has some crazy scars on his back. Pike are such pretty fish. Look at those colors. Might need a bit of revival. Pike a lot of the time are pretty fragile. I just went to take a picture of his pretty colors and he shot off. Got a fish on. Doesn't seem very big at all. I'm just gonna flip him. Yep. Little tiny pike on the red swim bait. Little guy. Let's get him back quick. Bye, buddy. Ooh. Oh, he's got me all wrapped up in sticks and stuff. That one smacked it. Damn. It's a pretty small one, but man. He made a run for it. It's a nice little fish. And that white grub. It's a nice one, maybe, 20 inches or so. Let's see if I can get this guy unhooked. Damn, he has some gnarly teeth on him. Look at that. Ooh, he just got me bad. By the way, this is my blood, not his. Beautiful fish. Let's get him back. Hi, buddy. Thanks for biting. That is why I use pliers, you guys. That was dumb on my part. Oh, got a fish on. Ooh. Not sure if you guys saw that. That was a nice fish. That was the first cast at this little area. Ooh, smacked it. Saw that. Ooh, that was awesome. It's gonna be interesting trying to get down here. Oh, that's stuck on a stick. I got him. Nice. Got him on that red swim bait. Nice little pike. I'm just gonna get him back down, release him. That was sweet. I hope the video quality is good enough for you guys to see what he did. My lure is just gliding on the top of the water and he came and smacked it. All right, buddy. Thanks for biting. That was sweet. Ooh, got one, you guys. That one feels better. That one feels better. Ooh, that's a better fish. Slip around. This is a terrible net job by me. I might as well just grab the dang thing. This is chaos. It's completely my fault too. Could have done this 100 times better, but we got him. Certainly the nicest fish of the day. See if I can dip them in the water and get some mud off them so I can get that lure in the mouth. Here's our beautiful northern pike, you guys. Definitely the biggest one of the day. Nice chunky one. I'm gonna go ahead and measure him, weigh him, see how big he really is. This guy was just a bit over 6 pounds and 32.5 inches. Beautiful fish. Really thankful for this one. This is probably the nicest pike I've pulled out of here. I've hooked into some bigger ones, but I've lost them all. Beautiful pike right there, you guys. There he goes. That was an awesome pike. That's definitely the biggest one I've gotten out of here. The second biggest was 28 inches and like 5 pounds something ounces. So that's my second biggest pike I've ever caught, I believe. Got some on, guys. Nice little pike. Dang. He throated that thing. Got it off. Alright, I'm just gonna let this guy go. See you, buddy. Got a fish on. Ooh. Oh, it's a bass. Little one. Just a little guy, but I believe he's the biggest of the day. He's a little pretty fish, isn't he? Nice little guy. Come back. Bye, buddy. Ooh, fish. Just looks like a little bass, I think. I can see all the bait fish darting around. I'm scared of it. Definitely the nicest one of the day. Maybe like the same size as the last one. Still cool to catch them though. See you, buddy. Ooh, fish. Decent one too. Oh, the little smallmouth. And that little panther martin spinner. About the same size as the other ones. Cute little guy. Bye, buddy. Ooh. Ooh, nice fish. Smacked it. Ooh. That's a nice bass. That's the nicest one I've gotten in here. That's a solid bass. Let's bring them up here like this. Wow, that is actually a valid smallmouth. Nice. This is the nicest one I've ever gotten in here. I've only ever caught babies. That's sweet. Let's get a good release on this one. See you, buddy. Thanks for biting. Ooh, another fish. This one's not nearly as big. Ooh, tiny pike. I'll take it. Well, probably 16 incher or something. Ooh. Messing up my lure. Pretty fish. Thankful for him. Thanks for messing up my lure, buddy. Fun little 2-second fight. That's about it for the video today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I had fun recording. It was really sweet to catch that big pike and that big bass. Might not be a giant bass, but you know, it's the biggest one I've ever been able to get out of here. So sweet to catch that thing. I was really happy to see how big that thing was. Stay tuned for more content coming out very soon from us. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.